How to transfer a Google account to another phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video we will see how we can transfer Google account to another phone. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. So for that, first of all, you have to launch your settings application in your mobile device. Once you're under settings, scroll all the way down, and from here you have to find out Google and tap on it. So under Google services, you have to tap on the account that are currently logged in. So a pop-up box will pop up in your interface. There you have to tap on add another account. Now you have to enter your device PIN to continue. And once verified, you will be taken into sign in page. Here you can simply provide your email address that you want to add or transfer to another account. Then tap on next. After that, provide your password, and once you have provided all your correct login credentials, you will be directly logged into your account in another phone. And that's how you can transfer Google account to another phone, or you can add Google account to another phone. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.